I love communism.
Wait, no. I just started
Right.
recording and the audience just heard you say that with no context.
Okay, I'm reading Johnny quotes. Do not quote me.
Hey, sue you are. You want some
Actually,
straight plans?
Alright, so I'm pretty sure today we're not gonna do that much. I'm actually just gonna build a house, but we're also gonna talk about the broken footage.
Yes. Also, John, come over here. I spotted a very strange event.
Okay, wait, I need a bed.
I just built 2 beds for you.
Where?
Up
Show
at the
me.
attic. Also, when sleeping like this, we can touch feet.
Yes, that's very gay.
Yes. This is the strange event I was talking about. Guys, remember the green armor John was wearing, the crier armor? I put it on here, and it was green, and now I just joined the war and it turned red. Did your armor turn into a requiem?
What? Okay, wait, let me see this. Requiem. How do you grab it?
Pickaxe?
What
Yeah,
the fuck is that?
it is crier. Oh yeah, I went fishing. Okay, it is still a crier head, but why is it red? There.
What?
It's
Oh,
a
that's so weird.
okay. There's the night music is starting. Wait, monster are nearby. Oh, there's a raven.
What?
It's the
Oh,
below
it's
the below one.
What? Why do they look like this too?
I don't know. I think that play Bizzare. Your feet is pretty soft.
Shut the fuck up, I'm leaving. Bro, look at this. Look at this.
I know what that sword is. I know.
No, look, I'm gonna drop it. I'm gonna drop it. Here.
Oh, godly. Mine now.
Bro, that's...
Okay, I'm gonna talk to the audience now, guys. You probably wonder how we went from one incomplete box to 3 house with a lot of new gear. Well, we did record the session in between this one and the first one. It was 5 GB of content, and it got corrupted. Yeah, but I think something is wrong with this world because there's a lot happened.
Wait,
What?
Zen. Eel slapper.
Yes,
Fucking eel slapper.
I went fishing. I told you.
I know, but eel slapper? That's a weapon?
Yes, and it's a whip. Yeah, I think there's something wrong with this war. I think like the event chance is bump up to an 11 or something because in that episode alone there was 3 blood moon, 2 goblin invasion, slime raid. We got a bunch of cool stuff from the Blood Moon. Oh yeah, we also attempted to fight the Brain of Cthulhu, but
We lost.
Overhaul made that boss a bit too hard for our monkey brain.
Don't call us monkey brains.
Chimp brain.
Yes, thank you.
Yes. Did you see the new weapon?
Yeah, I did.
The new weapon I placed at the bottom.
Wait, what?
Bottom right.
Oh, it's a loot.
Also
So
go.
joy to your witcher, oh valley of plenty, oh valley of plenty, oh.
Oh yeah. And I forgot. We also try to go to the dungeon and fight Skeletron, but the Eye of Cthulhu also show up, and we start the fight anyway. So we had a dual fight between Skeletron and Eye of Cthulhu. Now that I'm telling the episode to you guys, it's sounding like a lie, but I swear it happened. Also, I'm gonna bet the 20 SWAT that a queen bee is going to appear because it's summer. Oh yeah, I also got you some dye.
Nice. I want to die.
Off camera, I did a lot of grinding.
As well as I, of course.
But I grind the boring stuff while you progress.
Okay, just give me the die. Reflective thorium die.
Yeah, it's pretty freaking cool.
Zen, this looks weird.
Also, I got some gold dye. Look, I'm your stand now. Dude, you didn't take out the bow and the megaphone? There's a U-wood bow. There.
What bow? Give me.
Yeah, and
It's ruthless.
John, you should have taken this weapon first. You know what this is?
That's a megaphone.
Yeah, a megaphone that you yell profanity with.
Okay, give it. Vicious mockery.
Hit it.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you have to actually yell a profanity every time you do it though.
I'm a professional at this, don't worry.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Let me allow you to curse.
Why you flying in my air, you motherfucking bugs? You got no rights up here. Get the fuck down here, you fucking pieces of shit.
Also, I got this.
That's the same as my. That's kind of the same as my flute.
Yeah, but it consumed my health. You see?
You killing yourself.
Yeah, but it used 4 mana and 2 life.
What? That drains so much.
Yes. But it's cool and it's purple.
So what are we gonna do?
You wanna build a hut?
Yeah, I do. Shit, I keep
Also,
forgetting about that. Okay, I need some.
look at
What?
look at all these crates.
What can you do with these?
You don't remember how if we go fishing we get crates, loot crates?
What? Okay, how about you open one?
We can do a unboxing video.
Alright guys, it's opening time.
Oh wait, God, you know the party girl NPC?
Yeah, what about her?
She have bought accessory. I'm gonna buy it for you and reforge it for you. It's a concert tickets. Increase maximum inspiration by 2, and every nearby ally increase your inspiration regeneration. The reason I'm stashing all the crate here because they have better loot in hard mode.
What? They have better loot than what?
In hard mode, you will probably have the skip frame option on. Off. Go into setting. Oh, but it's like fire, the worst type of fire. Okay. Also, we like you guys see, we got a bunch of cool NPC like Son the Goblin and Bruno Mars who sell guns.
Why do you call him Bruno Mars?
It's Bruno Mars. If you say
Okay,
otherwise,
he's not-
you are a heathen. Oh yeah, Draw. You know what I got besides the pickaxe sword?
What?
Yeah, in the font, night get darker and the corruption and crimson get a lot here scarier. Wanna visit?
I think I'm good. Okay, let me just talk about my hut. My hut won't be a good hut, but it's gonna be a hut. It's not gonna be great, but it's honest work.
Yes, and I'm going to judge it harshly. If I can even speak. Okay, now I kind of feel angry about the corrupted video again because that episode was going to be the epic fight episode, and now we just skip it, and now we're at the filler episode.
Yes. Also, Michael Jackson really hates Brandon for some reason.
Now Bruno Mars.
I said Michael Jackson didn't die.
Yes. Say anyone else again, I'm going to kill you.
You could try. Oh wait, he doesn't sell it anymore. I guess it's only a nighttime thing.
You feel anything on your nose?
I'm good.
Look again. You feel anything on your nose?
Nah, I'm good. I don't feel nope, definitely nothing. Stop.
Okay, build stuff. There's a lot of thing in the chest, and I'll help. You
Okay.
wanted to build, but as soon as I give you a guitar, you gonna just play it. Freaking build!
Time to run away, boys.
Why? Why dungeon?
Alright, give me some wood. I'm gonna do a quick build now.
Ta-da!
My house is 2 times bigger than yours. How fucking dare you? I'll fucking kill your family.
Our hut.
Science never sings but Zen,
What?
this fits to the opening when I said I love communism.
Yes.
Shit.
It's confirmed, guys.
FBI, open up!
Welcome to the secondary recording session. You might be wondering why we're in the fresh world.
Why are we in the fresh world, Zen?
I just said that.
No, silence. This is the act. Just follow the act.
I am the editor. I can make you say that 20 times.
Yeah, I know, but shut up and just follow the script.
Bizzapasta! Okay, you might be wondering why we're in the fresh world.
Why are we in the fresh world, Zen?
Well, I said we'll go diving today, but in the previous world, in our main world, which is probably broken beyond repair, there is no ocean world, deep ocean. So we have to go to a new world.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, and
Well, let's cut down some things first.
yes, let's destroy this world first.
Don't destroy everything.
Defining physics, defying, very English. I corrected myself and then insulted myself.
Ooh, soft burn. That's a rare one.
Yes. Oh, yeah, I should test this on you. I wonder if it's faster. This costs no mana, and every time I poke you, it's 5 health. So
Okay, wait, let me try taking damage.
yeah. Oh.
Did not take damage. Okay, wait. Let me try to find higher ground. Okay, I'll try it. It's kind of slow, but I guess it's kind of good.
Well, it costs no mana, so it's an alternative. This is taking too long. We're supposed to be diving. You have any bombs?
Alright!
To further our destruction of this world.
Oh, I didn't pack any bombs.
Oh, okay. Actually, bro, I'm
What the
high.
fuck, Zen?
Bro, I'm
Zen,
high.
what the fuck? Zen! Okay, I'm running. This is...
Yes. This way to the
How many minutes have we been in here?
enough. Did you bring any diving gear?
Oh, okay, I got a breathing reed. That's right, baby.
Yeah, that's gonna help in the deep ocean.
Oh, this is what's it called again?
Corruption.
This type of thing. Yeah.
Which is the thing that happened to my previous clip.
Oh, Zen! I fucking live because you know why?
Why?
I grappling hooked myself.
That's good reflex.
Fuck the trees coming straight from beyond the ground. Okay, I'm gonna be seeing that.
You gonna see the next part?
No.
So you need to craft special bullets. I think you can craft that with thorium.
I already made silver bullets for now.
Ay!
Ay, caramba! Ay, caramba!
There's a D up here. Wait, why
I
is
got
it?
lucky.
Why is it called the innocent?
Oh, I'm dying! I'm dying!
I'm dropping hearts.
That's not happening to me. Something is eating me alive. Something is eating me.
It's the innocent.
What
Not very innocent.
the...
Bro, this is why you have to keep the heart. Okay.
Yeah!
I'm gonna use my diving gear.
Okay, I'm gonna use my snorkeling thing.
That's very helpful.
Okay, time to go in, boys.
It's very deep.
Wait! Wait! Oh, no, where is it? Oh, Zen, I think I left my glow stick at,
You can get the glow stick here.
Okay, let's see. I need light! Okay, where's my... I also left my weapon that emits light. Thank you, Dark Souls. Zen, I did not bring the goddamn, thing that allows me to breathe and that allows me to swim
Oh.
upward. I left it at base.
There's some wet sand down there. It's solid, so it doesn't fall.
Yes.
That's some slow bullets.
Bitch, I'm underwater. So where are we doing this again? Oh,
It's
there's a hole.
yeah, that's the deep ocean. Oh,
Okay.
so Barracuda!
It's oh my god, this is how I die, isn't it?
No, just dig. Here, dig. Okay, you're breathing. And you actually sounded like you're coughing out water. Okay, go down here. That was the first City was singing about in the yacht club, a Barracuda. But it doesn't chase our dog days away.
Ooh,
Let's
death
go.
scale. Okay.
Whoa, what the? Okay, okay, you go down there.
Why? What's down there? Oh! Okay, let's do this.
It's still air.
Well,
Well, we need pearl. I think we can make a bunch of stuff with the pearl, and I can make my
Okay.
Crusader armor.
Make a hole so that I can shoot my mega shot.
Oh, okay. Okay, there's some more air pockets. I'll mark it with my torches.
Does that thing have a face? God.
Yes, it does. I'll go down. Oh,
I'm dying.
tentacle me. Hey,
Good.
hey, breathe. Breathe. Oh wait, there's an air bubble down here that you can get. If you see any bubbles, then swim to it. What? Oh wow.
Okay, I'm gonna get rid of a diamond. I don't need a diamond, don't I?
What? I got Sea Ninja Star. Woo!
Wait, what's happening?
See.
Am I breathing underwater?
What? Oh, there's air bubble down here. So if you see air bubble, just hop in.
Oh yeah, 6 seconds. Oh, that's nice.
If you see the blue stuff,
Aquatite.
yeah.
I got an aquatite.
I'll mine. My inventory is already full.
So I can't mine through these rocks.
Oh, marine rock. I can mine it.
Yeah, I can't mine it at all.
Just mine the ore then. There's a set path for us. Yo, give me air. Give me some that good stuff. Yo.
Okay, so make a hole because I'm about to yodel this bitch. Okay, come on. Mine the hole.
No, I already did that, and all the water he filled up.
No, I mean here.
Oh yes. I still need to get air.
Wait, I'm also dying, so don't worry. We're on equal terms here. I'm dying. Okay, Jen, this is how I die.
I also need air. Help!
This is how I die. My family probably never loved me, so life isn't equal.
Don't worry, I love you.
No, I got 3 gold! Hey, can we go back to the original world and grab some stuff?
No,
We should.
it's part of the challenge.
Zen, stop doing this.
I don't want to make a jump cut.
Just do it.
Then do the Arnold voice.
Ow! That's my best.
No, you have to say do it.
Do it, and then give me a second. Let me get in the mood. Ow! Do it. No, do it.
You sound Indian.
Give me a second. Ow! I'm Arnold. Ow!
Very good.
But I'm trying to remember how how Vinny did it in his video about Ring Fit Adventures.
It feels like I'm coming, you know. I'm coming at the gym, I'm coming at home, I'm coming on day and night, you know. It's terrific.
Ow.
I'm out in the gym, I'm out at home. I'm out all night. It's terrific, you know. Color weaves into a spiral of flame. Do we even have any flippers?
We do. We should have. I put it somewhere. It's called the aquamarine wine glass. I throw a wine glass at somebody.
That doesn't seem very musical.
It's called bar glass. Let me just put most of my stuff.
Wait, let me see. I might actually have enough money to buy you a rocket boots. Wait, I need more. Bam. And now even merge it with runny boots. Runny boots. Yo, boots. Brandon.
Go talk. Yeah, go talk to Brandon.
Thorium anvil? This is a ripoff. You cannot make a thorium anvil with the thorium. Are you still in the world?
Nah, I'm not.
Okay. Then do you want to go explore the ocean world, which will probably give us too much time for the recording for the video? Or we could just go to the Crimson in our main world and have our revenge.
Okay, let's do the revenge thing.
Okay. Hey, have some food so you can get a slight buff when fighting the brain.
Hey, wait, I need a fucking way to make a chest.
Name it Charles Trust Chest.
Yes. But okay, and what bird can be turned into?
Okay, so now you're wondering, wow, why there's another jump cut, you ask, and this time without draw. Well, in the vid we were stocking up so we can go to the Crimson and have our revenge on the brain, and we did. We kind of overdo it, in fact, because it was raining corpses. Yes, raining. Oh, okay. Because it was raining corpses and in the fall, so the Crimson was raging. So there was like 5 rain spawning back to back, so we kinda went overkill on the revenge thing. And when I stopped recording, I noticed that my disk ran out of date, ran out of space before we even go to the Crimson. So that stopped recording. And so again, so now I'm very disgruntled, to say the least. So now I'm going to take the matters into my own hand and go to the Crimson and solo the boss. Oh, the brain spawned already. This is not a good fighting spot. This is certainly not a good fighting spot. Oh wow, I should not have done this. Regret time. Oh, they spawned again. Wow, why am I fighting it on the surface? I guess this is still better than in the underground. Stay back, stay back. Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I think I did. Come on. Oh yeah. Yep, I did. I punched the crap out of the brain. It is a new day. Another one. Yep, now you guys see what I was talking about when I say overkill. Yep, another one. Now, is the third one gonna spawn? Okay, I'm home. Looks like there was no other brain. Well, if it spawned, then I would have killed it anyway. But so yeah, now I got way too much crimson. Yeah, that will probably earn me a lot of gold. 33 gold to be exact. So I guess that was somewhat worth it. I will only say somewhat because 33 gold isn't enough to replace some lot footage I had with my friend. But yeah, thank you for watching. Sorry Draw couldn't join us in the last recording session because he was too tired and he didn't know that we lost some footage. So yeah, see you next one. I'm gonna do the ending sound this time.